Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. Today I have my Ipsy, and then I also have a second envelope. I ordered something. I don't remember what I ordered. Full transparency, I am pretty darn tired. I just got back from Vegas today, the day you're going to watch this, because I'm going to edit and upload it later today. And I was in Vegas for a week. You're going to see my pack with me video next. And then I'm going to do some like follow-up videos on Vegas. But I am exhausted. Not a lot of sleep. Lots and lots of walking. So yeah, I'm in recovery mode now. I need a vacation after that vacation. But my Ipsy came while I was there. So we got to go open it. Before I begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy, what you think of my Ipsy and my add-ons. I think I kind of know what it is, but I'm not 100% sure. There was a piece of lint on my bag. So here we go. It's cute. I like the sunglasses. Those are very Barbie coated, like the original 1959 Barbie. I'm so glad to have an actual bag in July this time, because the past few years we've had like the leftover refreshments bags with the drawstring as the default in July, and that was very disappointing as a July birthday. So let's see what we have in here. I have the card and a sneak peek of what's to come. Okay, the matcha cleanser, actually, that might be what I end up choosing when we get to choosing. We're gonna get this large thing out of here first, because this is big. All right, so we have Grace and Stella Eye Mask Heroes. We have a moisturizing and illuminating and a restoring. So 3 sets of masks. I don't know if I've tried. I know I have some other stuff from them that I've just never gotten around to using. I should probably use those masks. So this retails for $7.50 for the 3, so $2.50 per patch. Not too bad. Then we have from Ace Beauty. This is the Ready in 5 Hydrating Creamy Concealer, which I could probably use because I was like, oh, sat down and I was like, well, those dark circles are definitely dark circling. I think I'm going to leave this. I'm not going to swatch this because I don't need another concealer. I'm finishing up one, and I just opened my NARS Creamy Concealer. So I want to work on that one before I open this one. So I'm going to leave it sealed so that I know it's unused, just because I don't need to open multiple concealers and start contamination. But the retail for that, a full size, is $24. I guess you can buy Ace Beauty from their website, but I've just never thought of doing that. It's just, to me, it's like what you get in subscription boxes. Then we have from Black, this is the Beyond Hope Rejuvenating Serum. Okay, love a serum, always up for a good serum. Let's see, this retails for $45 for the full size. So far, not too bad. I think the concealer is what I chose. Cheekbone Moon Dew Illuminating Primer Gel. So we have a primer. Do I need any more primers? No. Do I like the primer I'm using? No. But I'm hoping to get it out early August probably, because it tints my skin. Like, I had spots on it. It's crazy. So this is a full size is $29. That's a 10 mil, or that's a 30 mil, and I'm assuming this is a 10 mil, so it's a third of the size. Let's look. What were these other ones? The highlighter, or not the highlighter, the concealer, 6.5 mil is the full size. And how big are you? 2 point something mil. I can't read it. And then this guy, a 30 mil, and this is a 10 mil. So a third of the size kind of for each of these. And then my last thing in here is from Benefit. It is the Play Days Benefit Airy Liquid Blush. And I didn't get any add-ons in this bag. I don't even know if I looked at them, to be honest. July has been kind of a whirlwind. That is so tiny and cute. Do I know if I'm going to use this? No, I don't use a lot of liquid blushes, but maybe I could get through this one because it's so tiny. It retails for $34 for 6 mil, and this is a 2 mil. So once again, a third of the size. Not too bad. Let's see. Looking forward to trying the concealer because I will always use a concealer. The serum, skincare, I'm always happy to get. Primer, decent size. Happy to try it. Blush, I kind of want to see. I don't need a liquid blush right at the moment, but let's see. Okay, I think it's a really pretty color. So overall, I think it's a pretty good bag. The thing I'm least excited about is the eye patches because I have so many eye patches, but I might pass these along to my friend, maybe my friend that I went to Vegas with. That might be a good idea. But overall, not too bad. Not the most exciting, but also not a dud. All right. Oh, that's right. So the first thing I pulled out of here is from Clean Reserve or Clean Classic. This is Vanilla Cloud. And I got this because it was like $14 or something. Before I forget, I saw on Reddit in the Beauty Box Lovers or Beauty Box something, Ipsy is changing their points. They're going to get rid of their points. So if you have points and you can redeem before the end of the month because they are going to switch over to levels and stuff, and your points are just going to disappear, and it's going to be based on how much money you spend and how many months you're active in a row. So if you start skipping, it's going to be a problem. So yeah, I saw that and I was reading through the things and I went, I have 600 some points. I'm going to go redeem. Is it something I necessarily wanted? No, but do I want to just lose all those points? No, not exactly. All right, so we have Clean Classic in the Vanilla Cloud. And I have no idea what this smells like. I know they had Clean Reserve Whipped Cherry for like $16 or $18, and I'm regretting not getting it because I've gone through like half of my bottle already, and that would be a great deal to refill up on it. Oh, this is really nice. It's a light vanilla, a little bit artificial. Kind of reminds me of Maud Vanilla, just a little bit. But it was definitely under 15. Good deal for under 15. All right, and the other thing I got, yes. So I ordered the mystery bag, trying not to look what's in it. But the things are not in the mystery bag, which is kind of like, why not? Okay. So I thought this was so cute. I loved the pink. It's almost like a terry cloth, but like a very thin terry cloth. It has not a fun zipper pull like the other one. I like that they kind of coordinate, but they're definitely different materials. So what do we have in here? First up is a sheet mask. I Do Care Hydrating Lotus Flower Mask. So sheet mask, I will definitely use that. Then we have from Koki, this is the Soft Glow Highlighter in the shade Rosy. We're gonna look at what this shade looks like. It looks way too dark for me. What do we think? I feel like it's right on the border. Should I swatch it? Should I not? Let me know if you think I should swatch it or just pass it along based on that color. I don't know. I'm leaning towards, I think it's going to be too dark for me, which is kind of disappointing. Then we have something. This is the Sugar Silk Beauty Ethereal Eyes Palette. Never heard of this company. Ooh, fancy packaging. I like that. Not fancy, but just like different. And we have 9 eyeshadows in there. So that's what they look like. We'll swatch some of them in just a minute. I don't have my makeup wipes right next to me. So let's finish up and then I'll swatch. All right, next up we have Coty. It's probably French, and said hydrating hand and body lotion. So I will use that as a hand cream most likely. And then, oh, I have this already. A Hey Honey Primate Luminous Priming Base. I'm pretty sure I have one. I know I have a Hey Honey. So not too bad. I mainly kind of wanted the bag, which is second month in a row they've gotten me with the bag design. So not too bad, not too bad. Highlighter, a little nervous about. And the eyeshadow palette looks cute. So let's do a few swatches from this. Okay, so I did the purple, I did this brown right here, and then I did these two down here, a light matte and a darker matte. They feel very soft. I think that they will perform nice enough, not too shabby. So I feel like I did get my money's worth from it. Is it the most exciting bag ever? No, same kind of with my actual Ipsy bag, but I'm happy with what I got. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are on these. Have you gotten a mystery bag lately? What are your thoughts on what I got? Let me know your thoughts on what you got too. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.